YouTube?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? I know how we come in. Kind of strong, kind of not. Subscribe to her. You know how we come in.
What's up, y'all? It's Nylea Blanco, and today we are at Rolling Loud, Miami. Today I'm here with my best friends, Joe and Des. Here we are. So I got this case, and this came in the package they gave me, so I'm gonna put it on just for the event. Look at this bag we got, so that you can fill it up. All right, now for the most exciting part. We're gonna open our bracelets. Okay, we opening this shit. Let's period.
Guys, can we have a little story time as we do this?
Let them know. Last night,
Guys, last night we got so drunk.
we was lit.
We did so many things that I didn't even know happened until I just watched the video.
No, like we were so.
We ran outside. Damn.
Look at the wristbands. Period.
And it's official.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Hey.
Period. Say what up, Dad. Say what up, Dad.
Take it into my drip like I need water.
We lit. She's fucking lit. Alright, so I'm already lit. Today the fit I got on is I got this cute orange halter top. I got the Rolling Loud merch bag. I got my pandas on. It's hot as fuck, honestly. And we're trying to go watch a little yachty. And yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected.
Open this shit up. Open that shit up. Stay close to me, thoughts. I don't know what this is, but I'm good. Hey. Yeah, these are definitely this. That's crazy. Hey, besties. All right, so we're in the crowd right now. We're waiting. I'm right. Joe's weighing. We weigh in. We gotta watch Don Television. And this is how deep we are. Crazy. It's hot as fuck.
Say fuck me just like that. Yeah, there we go. You see that? You see?
Ready?
Okay, you're just gonna like wait around
Ready?
for a while.
Ready?
I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce.
Guys, the craziest fucking shit just fucking happened. Why the fuck did Des just pass out? No, like guys, that was scary as fuck. No, we were in the crowd and she
I
passed
don't know
out.
what the fuck happened, guys. I
That was
failed
crazy.
you.
That
It
was
had to be me.
Joe hustling today. He sold a water bottle for $5.
Make money anywhere.
Period.
Nah, listen to this. Joe was like, I'm easily gonna sell it for 50. He sold for 5.
For $5. Des, how are you feeling? What happened?
Guys, listen to what fucking happened. So, moment of silence. We were in the fucking crowd, and I don't know what the fuck was wrong with my fucking body. That shit literally like went completely numb. And then I told them, I'm like, guys, I don't feel good. This was like a couple minutes before anything happened. And I'm telling them, like, guys, like, my body feels crazy right now, but I didn't fucking think I was gonna pass out. So then time fucking passes, and I'm just watching the stage, and everything starts going, like, it starts getting black from the side. Passed the fuck out, guys. It was
it was crazy. It was scary.
I was like coming in and out of consciousness. Like, I'll fall to the ground, come up, everybody screaming in my face, and fall back to the fucking ground. Mad
it was
confused.
so scary.
I thought I was gonna get trampled, guys.
But she got some water now.
I got water.
She's doing better.
Not this.
We're gonna get some eats.
And we're gonna go to the club after.
No, she's crazy. She said, I feel better. You guys coming to the club?
And we're going, so what?
And we are. Period.
I didn't die.
So we going home right now. Dojo. We're in the shuttle. We in the line. It's kind of crazy. Until I'm on.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas
Walking in the drip, yeah we lit, in the drip, hey, shipping it, walking in the fucking, hey,
I lied, hey.
We definitely have to hotbox the mirror. It's just hotbox behind the seat over here. This is like the little section they have if you like want to smoke. No, we got to take a picture right there. It's great. We need to get faded. So we're about to go in that little hotbox machine, and we're gonna hotbox.
Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught.
They got the ice. Okay. That shit's fire. No, look at that.
Like, wow.
That shit says roll around LA.
Man, and I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand.
Guys, I'm organizing my bag because I got hella shit in here and I'm not trying to carry it the whole time. But you know, gotta spark up. Shit is huge. What up, Joe? That's welcome to the motherfucking gutter, bitch.
I'm a gentleman. Bitches knocking out my heart, but I won't let them in.
We are so far up. Guys, we're like that close to the front. We about to see Uzi soon. We're so fucking hyped.
Appreciate you.
We're watching Uzi, bitch.
What? Yeah, nigga.
Alright guys, we survived Uzi. I was patient. Now I can scream that we made it. We survived Uzi. Future, let's go. I'm ready. Let's go. I'm not being patient no more. Didn't play 20 minutes. I'm mad as fuck because I was waiting for him to play that for so long. But anyways, we're about to see Future right now. Where we at? How many people we got behind y'all? It's crazy. It's about to be 11. What time is it, Des? It's time for
on, push the beat! Push the beat! Turn me up! Turn me up, girl!
I just fuck your bitch, and some Gucci. You see them like your number one. Put my bitches on, yes we don't do. Put your ice on us, they need to help me.
Guys, this looks fucking crazy! Oh my god! Guys,
hold on.
So we at Walmart, we making a stop. We just need to grab some things, and look what they got. They got a motherfucking buzz ball. So when I'm in the crowd, I'm gonna drink this shit. I broke my nail yesterday. I'm so fucking mad. Hey y'all, so it's day 3 of Rolling Loud. Today we are hyped to see Lil Baby and Kendrick Lamar. The fit today is very basic. It's hot. I'm sweating. The hair's about to go up. Her hair already went up. It's hot as fuck. It literally feels like it's 100 degrees out here and I am sweating. Honestly, I'm not feeling the best. I haven't eaten anything all morning. All I've eaten was literally nothing. I drank a Bang for energy, so my heart is feeling crazy and the edible I ate is hitting. So I need to get some water. I need to get some food to feel better because honestly right now I'm just tired. So we're in the line for the guard right now where they like check our bags, and this lady yesterday saw that we had a bunch of things that we weren't supposed to bring in, but she was like, y'all are killing me, I'm gonna let y'all slide. So today we're coming back to her. I got a whole bottle in here, so hopefully I can get that in. She let us slide. We made it. It's our last day here. So sad. Honestly, we're here pretty early today, so it's not that packed. Look how just beautiful everything looks. All right, we're at the food truck. I just ordered some tenders and some fries. I'm so fucking hungry. This is the water they do for y'all. For $6 fucking dollars. $6. That's why when you cook, you have to bring an empty water bottle. But yeah, we're about to eat right now, and hopefully I feel better when we eat.
it's like...
All right, guys, so we just took a moment to refresh ourselves. I'm feeling a lot better. Yeah. I'm a vlog.
How y'all doing?
Where you from?
What's up? We from Chirac. Lonzo Ball repping. Lonzo. You know how we coming.
So we're about to go on to the Ferris
What
wheel.
the
I don't even know that person. They're just right with us. We're about to go.
Where's the glass tip?
She just dropped her fucking. That's crazy.
Is this on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Subscribe to her. You know how we coming.
Let them know.
Let them know.
We coming up. We making vids. We coming up. We finna get all them subscribers. We trying to make that bread. Real shit. We trying to go crazy. We trying to have y'all pay for our lives.
Right.
Watch
Pay
our
for that.
videos. Y'all know how we coming. Kinda strong. Kinda not. Tattoos right there. Sometimes. You know how we coming.
You know how we coming. Edible check-in. I'm feeling pretty high, to be honest. I'm feeling like definitely maybe like a 7 out of 10 high. I'm faded as fuck under these glasses. Let's do a check-in.
Anyone ever died from.
What are you talking about?
She's talking about you can overdose on weed.
But you can overdose. It may be rare, but it can still happen. Exactly. It can still happen.
Well, I'm doing a check-in.
Anything is possible because in the world, impossible, you can't spell impossible without possible.
You don't even know what she's talking about right now. I ain't gonna watch that one. You know,
How you feeling with the edible?
Bugging.
I feel like out of a 10, I would probably say like a 4.5.
And a half. What about you?
9.
Show them your eyes. He's No, that's our thing right now, guys. We'll like pick up on lingos and start using that shit so fucking heavy. Your lingos, And right now, the whole trip we've been saying, you're bugging. You're bugging. And I do not want to say that shit.
Bugging.
All right, guys, we're at the top of the Ferris wheel. It's so crazy up here. They're literally
twice. Every other night another movie can.
Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on. I do real shit.
You ain't got but don't listen to the haters trying to see you was off.
All right, guys, the concert's over. We're leaving. Peace out really loud.